Welcome back, guys, to Jarrett the Journeyman. Today, we had a big mistake. I went out and filmed this kitchen area in a house, and the video wasn't recording. My portable mic, I used one of these. Well, you can't see it now, green screen. Anyways, here's a portable mic, and somebody forgot to turn the power button on the portable mic. So I didn't get any recording of audio going through this. So we'll be going over the green screen. So also this gave me the opportunity to put you in this virtual house. Actually, it's the real house, just a little green screen in the back. So it was a rough end stage, but I screwed up, didn't record any of the audio. Got some video, but not audio. So let's get going into this video and see what kind of voiceover I can do. So on this project, we're looking in the kitchen area. This is a rough-in house. This is a rough-in portion of the house in the kitchen. And the NEC article that we'll be going over is 210.52B3. And in 210.52B3, the code allows us to not only bring in a home run that will supply the small appliance circuit, but from that small appliance circuit, we can also feed a refrigerator, an electric or a gas stove igniter, the dining room area, or the pantry area. So instead of running 3 home runs, we only have to run 1. So let's dive into this house and see what it looks like. Now, really quickly, guys, if you guys are finding value in this video, please do me a favor and hit the like button. Just reach down there, hit the like button for me. It really does help. Or you can leave me a comment and let me know how I'm doing. It really, really helps out. So, like I said, leave me a like, comment, and if you really want to, subscribe. But thank you for watching, and let's get back to the show. As we can see, this electrical contractor brought in a 12-2 home run to the countertop area. And then from there, he took it, dropped down, and jumped over and went to a refrigerator. We know it's a refrigerator because we've got this ice maker contraption down here. And then from the refrigerator, he shot up, went across, all the way across into this dining room area, dropped down, hit that receptacle right there, jumped across, and ended up right there with another receptacle. So there is your dining room, up and across. You've got 2 receptacles over there in the dining room, 1 receptacle for the refrigerator, which comes down right there, then across, and then it hits the home run right there. So you'll have your GFI there, and your home run takes off there. So in 210.52B3, that allows us to do that. There again, refrigerator, all the way over to the dining room area. 1 home run, but it satisfies 3 circuits within the house. Instead of running a home run to your refrigerator, a home run to your small appliance circuit, and a home run to your dining area, we did it all in 1 home run right there, which is allowable by code. Now let's go over here and look at this. Brought a home run there, 12-2. That is your igniter for your gas stove. Brought it up, across, small appliance circuit there, down, small appliance circuit there, and small appliance circuit there. So there again, we satisfied everything within the code with only 1 home run. Didn't have to pay for labor to pull 2 or 3 different home runs. So guys, know your code. Guys, thanks again for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Be safe out there.